So Doc, am I wrong in saying that the closest thing we have in this clinic to the Fountain of Youth is NAD+?
Absolutely.
Let's take a minute. Let's explain to our listeners what NAD plus IV therapy is. This is actually a cutting edge treatment that actually, I might be wrong, but I have not seen another clinic within 2 states outside of Florida that does this. Outside, I will say the disclaimer is addiction recovery centers. So people that maybe are addicted to opioids or maybe even Adderall or methamphetamines, their mitochondria, which is in all of our cells, is what produces energy, or ATP, which is energy, and energy is life, exactly. So basically over time, as older people, I don't know how if you're ready to say how old you are, but as we get older, our mitochondria doesn't work like it does when we were kids, right? So when we look at these kids and they're running nonstop from activity to activity, and we go, where the hell do they get that energy? Well, that's actually from the mitochondria within their cells. Well, with drug addicts, they basically ruin their mitochondria, their natural energy production, through taking methamphetamines and basically replacing the body's natural energy. So the mitochondria goes, well, it doesn't need us to produce energy, it's providing it on its own. So the reason this is in addiction recovery centers is because to get somebody off methamphetamines, right, we have to help them produce natural energy. And so basically enter NAD plus therapy. So what that stands for is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. I'm sure there's other pronunciations, but for the simplicity of our listeners, let's go ahead and call that the bandit. The reason we call it the bandit is because NAD does basically one thing, and it steals hydrogen. More specifically, the protons within hydrogen. So when NAD enters the cell, the mitochondria, those protons are released, which basically produces ATP or energy. And so there's a protocol that, you do 4 weeks of, and it's actually an IV, therapy where it actually, you sit in our nice, comfortable recliners, you watch some TV, because this takes about 2 hours and 15 minutes, because I don't know about you, but when I'm getting this therapy, I just get a little fuzzy, maybe a little lightheaded. And if it goes in too fast, it actually hurts you. So it's a process, for about a month, you do 1 bag a week. And then after that, all you're doing, now that your mitochondrial health is basically brand new and your energy's up, basically you do 1 bag a month after that to maintain that mitochondrial health. Hopefully for our listeners that provides some insight as to, hey, you're older, your energy's down, or maybe you're coming off, maybe you're addicted to caffeine. The same effect. We ruin our mitochondria with all these stimulants that we take. So let's push the reset button with NAD plus therapy. Check it out.